Hey guys, this is Sanjay and welcome to the Gentleman's Plate. Today we'll be making one of India's most beloved treats, Falooda, and today we're making it vegan. Falooda is basically like a milkshake meets a sundae. Now the traditional Falooda consists of basil seeds, vermicelli noodles, fruit gel, rose milk, ice cream, and various other toppings. So get ready for this recipe because you Falooda don't want to miss out.
First we'll need to soak 1 tablespoon of basil seeds in 3/4 cups of water. Do this first and let it sit for about 15 minutes until they plump up into a jelly. You can pick up basil seeds from your local Indian grocery store by the name of sabja. You can also find them at your local Asian supermarket. Here's the packet I used. FYI, affiliate links for this recipe's ingredients can be found in the description below. Next, for the vermicelli noodles, I like using thin mung bean noodles. You can also use thin rice noodles instead. They come packaged like this and you can break them apart for as much as you need. I'm going to use about 15 grams of this, but you can eyeball it. Anything you don't use this time around could be used later in a super stir fry. Next, heat 2 cups of water on the stove, turning off the heat once it reaches a boil. Add your noodles into the hot water and let it soften for about 10 minutes. Drain and rinse under cold water to stop the cooking process. Set the noodles aside in a small bowl and take clean kitchen shears and cut them down into smaller bites. Now, the jelly is my favorite part. Strawberry jelly is traditional. I'm using these vegan-friendly fruit gels I found at the dollar store. These are great because they're made with carrageenan instead of gelatin, so they also make for a great snack. But if you can't find these exact brands, look for kosher or halal gel desserts that don't use gelatin or make your own from agar-agar powder. The most important part is the rose milk. I'm using basic rose syrup found at any Indian or Middle Eastern grocery store. Although rose is traditional for this dessert, you can also swap it out for other flavors like mango, melon, or strawberry.
If you're having a hard time finding the rose syrup, click on the affiliate link below to find it on Amazon.
We'll need 2 cups of cold milk of your choice. I'm using almond milk. Add in 4 ounces or 1/2 cup of rose syrup and mix well. This recipe makes enough for 2 large servings. Chill the rose milk until you're ready to use it. As far as for toppings, we'll be using my all-time favorite vegan ice cream from Trader Joe's. You can also top the Falooda with crushed nuts of your choice, so here I'm roughly chopping just a handful of raw almonds. Now here comes the most important part, the assembly. Start by placing your soaked basil seeds in a tall glass cup, followed by the noodles, and then roughly scoop out about a single serving of fruit gel. Followed by your prepared rose milk. Top with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, chopped nuts, some more rose syrup, and hey, it's a dessert, why not a cherry or 2 on top?
So there you have it. This dessert is as delicious as it is unique. And it couldn't be easier once you have all the right ingredients. For the full recipe details and measurements, make sure to check out my blog at www.thegentleman'splate.com. And for more great vegan recipe videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. This is my no shame cam. Oh yeah. It's creamy, it's crunchy. There are a lot of different things happening in this dish right now. Honestly, this is like the best ice cream sundae you've never had.